Good night. My name is Franklin Gomez. I am I am a student in of the technology in radiology and images diagnostic program for the task 4 phase 3 infographic expliking the Taj Mahal, India, one one of seven wonders of the world. The Taj Mahal. This work is admirable for its architecture being very innovative and sophisticated. For its time, the Taj Mahal was complete in 1652 after 22 years of construction. It is four sides perfectly identical to each other, also one of the most well-known World Heritage sites in the world and the main sites of India. What a interesting data. What it Where is it? The Taj Mahal is located in the vicinity of the city of Agra in the state of Uttar Pradesh in India. How large it is it? The Taj Mahal is a world complex of buildings that occupy 17 hectares and includes a large mosque, a hedge house, and garden. Who might visit it? All those people, tourists whose economic resources allow them allow them to more than to enjoy this mansion. What is the purpose of it? To appreciate the greatness of art embodied in the Taj Mahal, know its mystical history, come true, come true, true, true. Imaginary situation. situation. The talent of the time, the talent of that time was very big to wake con- to wake a construction with excellent quality. Hello, Mon. Are you doing? What are you doing there? Hello, Mom. I am in India, where the Taj Mahal is built. I am observing the central pond that is in front of the mausoleum. It is the central building with a large cupola. Display is spectacular, is beautiful, incom- incomparable, a kite-shirled relic. Thank you very much.